Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, it's always a pleasure to be here at the Vibrant Gujarat Summit because I think the summit has become an institution by itself. It's a great medium to communicate to the world that Gujarat welcomes growth, welcomes progress, and welcomes investment. I must just say that Gujarat is not just the fastest growing state in the country, but by that token, actually it becomes one of the fastest growing regions in the world. And we are today sitting in one of the fastest growing regions in the world. As a banker, what we also get to see is the fact that the growth and progress of Gujarat is actually very comprehensive and very well diversified. So we see growth coming from the largest and the biggest of projects being set up in Gujarat. We see the small and medium enterprises growing. We see the growth amongst the youth, and we see the growth in the villages and rural areas. We also see the fact that a state like Gujarat is making huge strides in fields like education, irrigation, and use of technology. And what better way to judge the progress that Gujarat has made in use of technology than to see the leader himself using technology to connect with people. Well, at the ICICI Bank and at the ICICI Group, we actually have the privilege of being associated with each and every aspect of the progress of Gujarat state. We've been lenders to most or almost all of the large projects that have been set up in the state. So in a way, we have played a big role in the capital formation and growth and development in the state. We fund the small and medium enterprises that provide the granular growth and prosperity in the state. Through our large branch network, through our distribution network, ATM network, we help the individual Gujaratis to realize their dreams of buying homes, buying cars, and buying other vehicles. So I must say that actually in the state of Gujarat, ICICI Bank's credit deposit ratio is the highest in the country at 177%, which is just a testimony to the fact that Gujarat enables growth to take place, and therefore it enables bankers like us to participate in the growth of the state. I'll also like to add that it's not just in these areas that we play a role, but we are actually playing a very big role in the rural community in Gujarat as well. We are playing a very big role in opening large number of financial inclusion accounts. We operate in several villages. We fund thousands of farmers every year, and the funding goes towards crop loans, towards kettle loans, towards helping them invest in irrigation facilities, helping them stock inventories, and so on. We today are very proud to say that we have more than 10 lakh financial inclusion accounts in the state of Gujarat itself. And through that, we not just fund them, but we actually have started enabling distribution, direct distribution of subsidies through these accounts. And I think this can go a long way in finally enabling on an electronic basis distribution of subsidies to the remotest rural areas. Also through ICICI Foundation, we are really working on various pilot projects towards health insurance for poor families by leveraging technology. Again, we have enrolled about 3 lakh people from the very low income group in districts like Mehsana with the objective to improve access to quality health care. So as we go forward, we look forward to partnering in each and every aspect of the growth of the state of Gujarat, and not just through everything that I mentioned so far, but I thought that today we would actually commit ourselves to one more initiative in the state of Gujarat. Narendra Bhai, I heard you actually very passionately in the last year talking about the educational initiatives that Gujarat has taken. And not just the initiatives on education, but actually the fact as to how accessible and affordable education is in the state of Gujarat. You also mentioned that the youth of Gujarat generally actually prefers to stay back in Gujarat and contribute to the growth of the state. So I thought the best way to actually bring a linkage between education and employment is really skill development and training. So therefore, today I would like to say that over and above everything that ICICI Bank does in the state of Gujarat, we would commit ourselves to contributing in the area of skill development and training, and we'd be very happy to work with the government of Gujarat in this area and keep moving forward in taking the state of Gujarat forward. Thank you.